My people, Nigeria relationship expert Mrs. Bobrisky don't give us. In fact, for now we no know she don already talk say this 2021 she dey start lesson for all the girls wey dey this world, in fact especially Nigeria. So all of una wey dey follow am back to back, una go agree with me say lesson 101 don start. This one na the first semester, and now im don come out dey tell girls wetin to do if man dey ask you for number. He say if man ask you for number, make you no just give her number, give her your account number first. If he no fit credit your account number, make you bullshit am. Abeg, no be for my mouth, una hear am. I want me una hear am from the horse's mouth. So make we watch the video.
The building. Today's class is very simple and short. If any guy wants your number this year, please push him your account number first. If he cannot send you money first, please let him move to the next beach. We don't have time. If you want my time, please send me money, okay? And those of you guys that keep saying, oh, why will I spend so much money on one pussy? Pussy are the same thing. Are you mad? We have different types of pussy. See, we have garnish pussy, we have dirty pussy. Some of you complain about that girl smells, that girl pussy smells, that girl is not neat, because you're spending your money to a dirty girl. Look for a high-class bitch. You know, she has money to take care of herself. Her pussy will not smell. Okay, so girls, this year we need money, not time waster. Love you.
Bobrisky, Bobrisky, how many times I call you bros? See, your own don dey too much oh. No, una hear the nonsense with this. Oh, they need arrest this. I don't tire. No, how long would I want keep this thing? They run like this. Why this man no fit just get sense? Bobrisky, why you no fit just respect yourself? Now by force make people they follow you. Now by force, if this thing they work for you, carry on like that. You know, I don't know why you they carry on when they put on top people. By now, una suppose no say this Bobrisky na devil agent o. Devil send am. Una think say na until una see devil with ugly face, with horns, una go know say na devil. No, now devils they come with pretty face. So Bobrisky na one. So if una no dey alert now, una no go even believe when this thing hit una. Destroyer of relationship and marriages, and in fact you are a destroyer. My people, make una open una ear. I know they consider here every day they talk because I know get wetin to do. I dey tell una serious matter. I dey bring una serious. See, if una dey see Bob wey wise, na him be say una too follow for the foolishness. See person wey dey call himself graduate. No, he dey tell una say make una no send account number. Make una no give men phone number until you give her account number. How you want send man account number? No be through your phone. So your phone number no go dey there. See graduate. No, accounting in what? Bobrisky. Abeg bring this guy outside. You, I no go tire for your matter. Me and you, we die for this place. You no know. Papa the mama. Una no even notice for the video say him nails no complete. How far na? You dey come give girls advice on money, but your nails don comot. How far bros no give you money to go fix your nails, abi to go do the nails? Now you go come tell us say na fashion. Say you don remove some because na fashion. Na lie. My people, the year wey Bobrisky be man, since na him to say na woman, that year when him be man, how many girls Bobrisky send money because of phone number? He no do am o, but now he don dey bring am for una. Una suppose reason now. Reason. Now why see some kind things, some kind matters they make me they feel bad sometimes. My people, see, money no be everything, no. Money no be everything. Money good, but no be everything. Not at the expense of your happiness. You understand? So una suppose dey very wise. Make una no listen to Bobrisky o. Look for job. Look for business where you go start. If you know say you no get anything to do, start dey think of what you go do. Else, you go end in tears. And I hear una go dey call me say, Madam Aproko, it don't happen no. And I go bring am outside. So a word is enough for the wise. Bobrisky, Mind yourself. My people, na the matter be this so and for una wey dey follow am, because I know say many people dey follow am. Biko next week, according to wetin talk, next week na test, so una go write test for all the things wey they don dey teach you. Wahala no fight for mumu man country. My people, abeg, I wan know wetin una think for this matter. Drop am for the comment section, share this video and click on that notification bell so that una no go miss anything wey dey happen for this house. Don't go far, I go see una later. My people, the Speaker of Parliament don't burst our brain. In fact, it shock us like shocker because nobody even expect this one. The man they congratulate president, vice president, all those people. We my people now. So everybody they expect, because as they call the president, they call the wife, as they call, you know, each person with a partner. Everybody come they expect, as they call wetin be name vice president Mr. Bawumia. Everybody come dey think say he go call slay queen Samira. Now people now, so this man just bust our brain, who come call Ramatu. Hey, everybody, in fact everybody want faint. The slay queen herself, abeg make I no even tell una anything. I wan make una see her reaction. Abeg make we watch the video.
We recognize the presence of Her Excellency Rebecca Akufo-Addo, First Lady of the Republic of Ghana. We also have with us Her Excellency Ramatu Bawumia, well, I don't know whether she saw an affidavit to change her name, but that was what they submitted to me. So, Your Excellency,
I hope so not be only me see wetin just happen. No, I hope so una eye open well as una watch this video like this. Una see wetin dey cause all this thing. Men, una no go just sit down one place, get one wife, settle. Una always like dey taste many men. Na the thing wey dey cause am. When you marry new wife, you go come dey do like say the one wey be there before no exist. Una go come dey mistreat am anyhow. Na him be this vice president. You don hide first wife. Since when you marry this slay queen, we no even dey see first wife again. Now your handbag, now your anything, now only this girl they come outside. In fact, I don't even tire. Now slay queen they take all the glory. Slay queen here, slay queen there. Chai! Hey, see my people, through this thing where they talk say when God don't decide say now your turn. When God don't elevate you, nobody fit bring you down. No witches and wizards, they no reach. Ha! Hey, no, this thing is sweet my body. I better bring this first wife outside, Mrs. Ramatu Bawumia. Now wow, the thing is sweet me. Mommy Ramatu, true, your God they alive. No, how God they alive, oh my people. Because as this thing happen now, see, now today I believe you now knows all this way MPP people they talk say the battle is of the Lord. Mommy, the Lord has fought your battle. In fact, he has disgraced slay queen publicly for your sake. No, I beg. See, no be someone matter, my people. I get word for all of them today. Bring this speaker, Mr. Speaker, come outside here. You. No, I no come fight you today. Me and you today we be friends like this. See, I know say you do this thing intentionally. I know, but I just can't tell you say it sweet me for body. You understand? The thing they do me my body tingling. Some slay queens when they do enter person house, you know say you meet first wife, you go dey form bosu on top. No. All of una slay queens, watch me very well. Hope say una don dey learn una lesson. Next time una no go enter person house, they carry shoulder pad up. I will bring her out with that big head. Slay queen Samira, now your turn. See if I dey call you, tell me present ma. You understand? I no be your mate. Auntie, we don dey see your work since. Slay queen, na only you dey dress, na only we know, we don see you. In fact, we don tire. It is enough. As they call Ramatu, I know say your heart don cut. You no even fit breathe again. E dey do you like make the ground open, make you enter inside. E sweet you oh. With that face mask, your face mask wey make you dey look like ninja. Abi wetin I go even call you sef? My people, we don tire for this one. E don do. Since the first time, na only this one dey show body, show herself. E never do. Oh yeah, now let the madam of the house herself come inside this second time. Na maybe the normal thing wey suppose happen. Because we don't want slay queens again. It is time for Ramatu to shine. Abi my people, it is time for her to shine. No be small thing o. Men, as una dey marry 2 wives, 3 wives, una no know wahala wey una dey cause. Mr. Abamia, biko come outside. You, your shame dey smell. Shame on you, bros. I no just dey understand. As you marry side chick, you turn side chick to wife. You can't abandon your wife. You don't forget say na she dey with you. Now one thing wey I dey hate about una men, una go dey forget say na this woman dey with you since o. Abi na how you dey feel? Karma don hit you for head. Also e dey sweet you. Make dem no learn. Na like this o. God don talk say enough na enough. And my people, true enough na enough. Karma is real. Karma is real o. So make una just pay attention and learn from this one.